Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. So starting on the left-hand side of the dance floor, leader, you're going to be on the right side, follower, you're going to be on the left side. We're going to connect or link our arms just like this, and we're going to walk into the dance floor for the first 6 counts. So we just walk in and find the center of the floor, and once you find the center, then we're both going to take a step on our outside leg. For my follower, it's the left, leader, it's the right, and we're going to connect our hands just like this, so we're in this nice side-by-side position. After this, we're going to be doing a spin and a half to get into a loose waltz frame. So leader, you're gonna raise that left hand, you're gonna draw a clockwise circle over your follower's head, and then catch their hip, and we're in this open frame. And notice we're standing side by side, we're not in front of each other quite yet. Leader, you should have your follower on your right-hand side. So I'll break down the footwork really quickly for my follower because your right foot is free, so we're gonna be starting there. We're going right, left, left. And make sure by the time you put that weight on that left foot, you are on the side of your leader. And also something else to note, we are in this closed position right here with the hand on the leader's chest. You're more than welcome to do a regular dance frame if you feel more comfortable, but you can also bring it in for a little more of an intimate frame. And then we're ready to get started with our pattern 1.